All right, today we're going to dig into a tool that's built to take on what might be the single biggest enemy for any trader, just plain guesswork. We're going to take a look at the LeaverTrades AI terminal and see if it can actually do what it says, replace all that uncertainty with a clear, data-driven plan.
I mean, let's be real for a second. How many times have you been staring at a chart and you see a setup that, well, it looks pretty good, but you've got that little knot in your stomach? You know that feeling? That's guessing. You're hoping you're right, but you're not really sure. And that little bit of hesitation, it can literally be the difference between a winning trade and a losing one.
And yeah, that's exactly the problem this thing is trying to fix. The whole idea is to move you away from the chaos of just guessing and into the clarity of having a simple, data-backed plan for every single trade you take.
We're calling this the trader's dilemma. It's that split-second pause right before you hit buy. It's that fog of uncertainty that has you second-guessing your stop loss 5 times. And it's the lack of a clear, repeatable plan that kind of turns trading into a casino game.
So what is the LeaverTrades AI terminal? Well, think of it as an online platform that's designed to give you high-confidence trade ideas. But here's the most important part. It doesn't just throw a stock ticker at you and say, good luck. No, it gives you the full plan, a super precise entry price, a defined stop loss, and a clear profit target, all to take that guesswork right out of the equation. Okay, so how does it actually deliver on that promise of clarity? Well, this is where the AI comes into play. The platform is constantly analyzing the market to give you a structured, simple answer to all that trading chaos. All right, let's break down exactly what you're getting here. With every single setup, the AI gives it a grade A, B, or C. So right away, you can focus on the best of the best. Ideas? Then you get the exact numbers, your entry, your stop, your target, no more fuzzy math. It also gives you a confidence score, and this is a big one, an AI explanation for why it likes the trade. And finally, you get this one-click tracking feature, which is kind of the secret sauce we're about to get into. So theory is great and all, but let's see what this looks like in the real world. We're going to take a look at an actual trade idea the platform put out for NVIDIA. That's ticker NVDA. And here you go, boom, instantly all the noise just disappears. You see the ticker, NVDA. You see the strategy, VWAP plus Trend Alignment, a 78% confidence score, and then the 3 numbers that matter most, your precise entry, your stop, and your target. I mean, think about that, your entire trade plan just laid out for you on a single line. Now, crucially, this is not some black box just spitting out random numbers. The AI tells you why it's suggesting the trade. In this case, it's pointing out that NVIDIA is holding above VWAP, that's the volume-weighted average price, a super important level that big institutions watch, and that the trend and momentum look good. That context is what turns a random signal into a trade idea you can actually feel good about. But here's the thing, this platform is trying to be more than just a signal service. It's actually designed to be a system that helps you get better over the long haul. And this is where it gets really powerful. See, the goal isn't just for you to blindly follow some alerts. The point is to use the tool's data to make you a smarter, more consistent trader over time. It does this with something called a feedback loop, and it's super simple, really just 3 steps. 1, you track the AI ideas that you decide to take. 2, you log what happened. Was it a win or a loss? And 3, the system analyzes your personal results to learn what kinds of setups and strategies are the most profitable for you. It's almost like having a personalized performance coach. Okay, but what are actual traders saying about this? Does it really work? Let's check out a few things people have said that really focus on building confidence and consistency, which, are the holy grails for any trader. So first up, you've got Alex, a momentum trader. For him, the big win was financial, right away. He said that just by focusing on those A-grade ideas and skipping the other stuff, he immediately started avoiding bad trades and saw his profitability go up. Now for Jordan, who's a part-time trader, the value was more psychological. The platform gave him the confidence to just be more patient, to stop chasing every little wiggle in the market, that bad habit of overtrading, and instead just wait for those really high-quality setups to come to him. And finally, Chris, an active swing trader. He points right at that feedback loop we were just talking about. He said the tracking and history features showed him exactly where his weaknesses were, and he called that personalized learning system the key differentiator. That's what really set it apart for him. So what does it cost? Well, access to the full terminal is based on a monthly subscription, and it's $29.99 a month. All right, so let's just recap the biggest takeaways here. First, it's all about giving you a clear plan to cut down on that hesitation and help you execute better. Second, you're getting fresh AI-ranked ideas throughout the day. Third,
It's not a black box. It shows you the why behind every single trade. And finally, hey, if you just want to check it out, there's a free plan that'll give you one AI idea every single market day.
And that brings us to the final question I want to leave you with. Whether you use a tool like this or not, just think about your own trading for a second. Are you just placing trades, or are you actively learning from every single one of them? Could a systematic feedback loop be the missing piece in your journey to becoming a more consistent, more confident trader?